Save money for rainy days. Emma was a young girl who loved buying toys and sweets. Every time she got some money, she spent it immediately. Her mother often told her, "Emma, you should save some money for rainy days." But Emma didn't listen. One day, Emma saw a beautiful doll in a shop. She wanted to buy it, but when she checked her piggy bank, it was empty. She felt sad and wished she had saved some money. A week later, a heavy storm came and Emma's shoes got wet and torn. She needed new ones, but she had no money. Her mother smiled and said, "Now you understand why saving money is important." From that day on, Emma decided to save a little money every time she got some. She learned that savings could help in times of need.